Is your Windows PC suddenly refusing to boot and showing a blue recovery screen with error code 0xc0000098? This error message usually says that the boot configuration data file doesn't contain valid information. And because of that, Windows simply doesn't know how to start. Many people panic when they see this screen because the systems get stuck in Windows recovery mode and won't load the desktop. In most online guides, you will see commands like FixMBR or RebuildBCD being used. But the truth is, on modern UEFI-based systems, those traditional methods often fail or don't work properly. So in this video, I am going to show you the correct and reliable way to repair the BCD on UEFI systems. This method works perfectly on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the best part is, your personal files will remain completely safe. So don't worry, just follow these steps carefully and let's fix your PC together. When you see the blue recovery screen, press F1 to enter the Windows recovery environment. If that option is not available on your screen, you can also use the Windows installation USB. If you don't know how to create a Windows bootable USB, then there's a detailed tutorial available for you. Insert your bootable USB drive into your computer. Now you need to force shut down your computer by pressing and holding the power button. After that, restart your computer. During the restart, press your boot menu key such as F2, F12, delete or escape to enter the BIOS boot menu screen. Now select your USB drive by pressing the down arrow key. Then hit enter. Select your language and click next. Then select your keyboard settings and click next. Now here, choose Repair My PC and then click next. After that, choose your keyboard layout. Once you reach the recovery option screen, click Troubleshoot. Then select Command Prompt. This will open the command prompt window. Before rebuilding the BCD, we first need to confirm which drive contains your Windows installation. First type disk part and then press enter. Next type list vol and press enter again. You will now see a list of all partitions. Look for the NTFS partition where Windows is installed. Most of the time it will be drive C, but inside recovery mode the drive letter might change to D, E or another letter. In my case, I think it is drive E. To check if this drive is correct, we must first exit disk part. So type exit, then press enter. Now type E colon to check the drive. Now replace E with your drive letter and then press enter. Next type dir and hit enter. This will confirm the drive. As you can see, this is my Windows drive because it contains folders like program files, users and Windows. Now we need to mount the EFI system partition which contains the boot files. Type disk part, then hit enter. Next type list disk and press enter again. Now select the disk where Windows is installed. Usually this is disk 0, but in my case it is disk 1. So type cell disk 1, then press enter. You will see the message disk 1 is now the selected disk. Next type list part and then press enter. Now look for a small partition between 100 MB to 300 MB labeled system. That is your EFI partition. Now select that partition. Type cell part 1 and then press enter. Next type assign letter equals y and then press enter. This temporarily assigns the drive letter y to the UEFI partition. Now type exit and press enter to leave disk part. Now comes the most important step. Type this command carefully. BCDBoot space /Windows space /s space y space /f space UEFI. Now replace E with your correct Windows drive letter that you found earlier. Also replace Y with the letter you assigned to the UEFI partition and then press enter. If everything is correct, you will see the message boot file successfully created. This means Windows has successfully rebuilt the boot configuration data and restored the required UEFI boot files. Now simply type exit and then press enter. After that, click continue and allow your PC to restart. In most cases, your system should now boot normally without the 0xc0000098 error. So what exactly did we do here? Instead of trying to repair the old corrupted BCD, we completely recreated the boot files inside the UEFI partition using the BCDBoot command. This is the recommended and reliable method to repair boot issues on modern UEFI-based Windows systems. So that's it for today. If this guide helped you fix your PC, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.